Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's in that near that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, in that same area for everybody, that thumbs up on the YouTube platform is really important for YouTubers to grow. So that's why I have that pillow to remind me, to remind you guys that if you're enjoying my content, it takes 1 second just to go underneath this video, press that thumbs up, it'll turn blue, the number increases, and that's how you're helping support me on this channel and the growth of me on YouTube, because then YouTube takes my videos and puts them in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me because it really means a lot. So thank you. All right. Today is a different type of day for me because while I was scrolling through Instagram one evening, an ad came up for the brand KOKIE Cosmetics. And KOKIE Cosmetics was always on my wants list, and I had an opportunity to try one of their products through the Ipsy $3 section. It was one of their concealers and I liked it. And I know that in the past, I think I've watched somebody do mystery boxes and things like that. So there was an ad for this gorgeous palette. It was called the Artiste palette. And it just spoke to me. It was the one that's called Goddess. And I was gonna go on their website, which I did, to purchase just this palette. And I think this palette on its own was about $15, which was really, really reasonable. And while I was in there, I was looking around because that's what I do. And I saw that there was a fall kit that for $25 came with a lot of products, including this gorgeous Artiste palette. So I said, for another $10, you know what, I'm going to try more of their line. And then right beside it, they had a mystery bag. But I said I didn't want to do the mystery bag because I really wanted this palette. And this was telling me in this kit that this palette was there. Plus it showed you all the other items that were in there. And to me, they were all winners, except for one that's a maybe for me. But that was fine. It's a nail polish, but who knows, in the fall it might be a color that I'm gonna want. But for me, this was what it was all about. So it was about this palette. So I ended up paying $25. They're saying it was a $46 palette, and it's called the KOKIE Cosmetics Fall Beauty Bundle. And it says it's the favorites that you'll fall for. This fall beauty bundle includes everything that you will need for a warm toned fall glam. It features, and I'll show you and I'll swatch this for you guys, this 12-pan Artiste palette called Goddess. It's complete with bronze, brown, gold, and red shimmers and matte shades. It finishes off this eye look with their gold crystal fusion liquid, which is the next item, eyeshadow in it's called Celeste. And it's there also in here. They had a black retractable, their best-selling, a retractable eyeliner in black, which that's a great thing to have. And to complete this look, they have a velvety smooth lip liner in Mauve, plus they gave a lip veneer gloss in Legend. And it says swipe on our new deep wine nail polish in Saucy for a full fall look. And that's what is in here. And the nail polish came in this beautiful package. So even if it's something that I end up giving as a gift, I think it's really beautiful. So, and the color is stunning. And if I was, up north, and as opposed to being in Florida, this is definitely a color I would absolutely love. So that's everything that I got. So let's do some swatches so we can see something about the consistency here. But just for the heads up, I went on to see, because they said it was $46. This on its own is $15. So if you fall in love with the palette, I think it is just easy. And then the nail polish, this was $6 on its own. This Crystal Fusion was also just $6 on its own. The retractable eyeliner was $7. The Velvet Smooth Lip Liner that I got in Mauve Nude was also $6, and the Lip Veneer was $6, and this is in the color Legend. So let's choose some swatching. I'm going to swatch everything but the polish because I'm not sure if I'm keeping it and I don't want to do that. So this, first of all, I cannot believe this is $15. I mean, it is just beyond stunning. That's what the back looks like. That's what the front looks like. It is heavy. It is beautiful. It looks like a $50 palette to me. There's a full gorgeous mirror inside. It is almost like a jewelry case. It's that stunning. And those, like I said, are the shades there. And let's just do some swatching. I don't see any names on it there, but I'm not a girl that unless, yeah, there's no names on the back either. For me, names are only important if you know you're doing a makeup look and I can say to you, I'm using, you know, this color here and this color there. But to me, I'm always doing my makeup on my own, and so it's perfect for me. So I have a wet cloth here, so we're going to do it, do some swipes, and we'll take it from there. So, God, this is so beautiful. And this is what the colors look like here. I cannot believe how the finds that I'm finding for the deals that are coming up. It is really unbelievable. Look how gorgeous that is. And that is a $15 palette, and it's 12 shades. Unbelievable. And you have your mixture of your shimmers and your mattes, which is the type of palettes that I always like. So let's see what we have here. And the pans are nice size that your brushes and your fingers and everything can get in there. They're not overly big, so it's easy to travel with. Oh my God, they're stunning. Look at this. Just beautiful. Wow. And it's all through just, you know, it showed up as a sponsored ad in my feed, and I don't know how, because I never looked for KOKIE or, you know, that brand at all. So this was to me a real find again. So of course I have to share it with you guys. So that's what these look like here. Stunning. Perfect palette. It has everything in it. Stunning. So that one's called the Artiste palette in Goddess. And then the next thing that I want to swatch is that Crystal Fusion, because I never went on the bandwagon when all the Stila, everybody was grabbing the Stilas. So this to me will be the first time using this type of product. And I always wanted to, oh wow. I just never did. Wow, you need very little of this. This is a pop of color. Look at that. And that's what that is there. Oh, I hope the camera's picking it up. The glare on it is just stunning. Oh my God, stunning. All right, and then the next one is the Retractable Eyeliner in black, and that's what that looks like here. Oh, smooth, creamy, perfect. I mean, and these prices are really attainable. I don't know where they're available in the drugstore. I've never seen them when I've walked through, but I haven't walked through a drugstore in a long time. So if any of you know where KOKIE is available in drugstores as opposed to going, you know, online, but online was no hassle. Everything came packaged in this bubble, in a bubble. Nothing was broken. Everything came just beautifully. And I'm just looking here on the pencil because this one caught my eye that it was made in Germany. And this one on the pencil is saying it's waterproof and it's also made in Germany. So this is really high end because some of the higher end brands are all made in Germany. So, and they're going on like velvet. I am shocked that I did not know about this brand, but I'm learning about so many brands here, and I am so happy that I have the channel to be able to share them all with you. And then this is what they're calling their lip veneer in the color Legend. And that's that perfect, you know, pinky, nudie fall color, but not too deep or dark, one that we can all, no matter your age, you can wear without it looking like too harsh. Really beautiful. Look at everything that I got. Unbelievable. So like I said, I got this for $25. That included the free freight. And right beside it, there's a mystery bag. So if this interests you, I will leave the name of what I got down below. But like I said, this was a $46 value that I got for $25. It just intrigued me. It was one night that I was scrolling through and it popped up and this palette just spoke to me, and I figured for $15 I'll grab it. And then the next thing I know, there was this bundle, and you know me, if there's a bundle, I'm always going towards the bundle because it gives me an opportunity to try so much more for just $10 more than what I was going to spend. So it was an absolute win. So as always, you know how much I appreciate that you take any time out of your day, that you choose to spend it with me, and that you're enjoying my finds and sharing with me in the comments. If you enjoy KOKIE, if this is a new line to you, if there's something from this brand that you think I should try, just please share with me because like I said, this is totally new to me. But once again, as always, It's so important during this time that we all continue to stay safe and stay well, because without our health, all of this is just not worth anything. So please, everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.